Okay, I'm styled up, but I'm not giving you one, but I'm giving you 2 styles today because this is a versatile unit. So stay tuned for Incolorwig's VPart. This is a water wave / bone straight unit, and I really want y'all to get into how I'm about to fleek these
because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Okay, so I'm coming through with a bone straight VPart wig. She's absolutely positively beautiful. Okay, she's 26 inches, I believe, of Love, Sex, and Magic. At 26 inches, she's going for about $257. But I know. 1, 2, 3, 4 combs at the top, okay? 1 in the middle, 2 on the side. You'll already see I'm about to Wakanda Forever these straps. Wakanda Forever in the back, okay? But look at this. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. So y'all picking this up, right? I'm doing this in real time, y'all. Are you picking it up? So let me just pull this over. So I didn't even bring it all the way up. There we go. Oh, it feels nice and snug. Now the cap is definitely big hair friendly. Definitely super big hair friendly. But when I adjusted the straps, it feels so much better. I'm so obsessed with this. Where's my comb? Okay, I'm done. Just like that, 15 minutes or less. Get your hair done, sis. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay? Absolutely, positively stunning. Let me turn around. Y'all let me know if y'all can see my tracks because that's what good girlfriends do. Can you see my tracks, boo? Look at that. Love, Sex, and Magic. Inches. Inches, inches, inches. Let me tell you something. I feel absolutely fabulous. I got this done right in time for date night. I'm going to show you guys my cute little outfit. No, I don't know what I'm wearing yet, but I'm going to figure it out. Okay. And I'm going to see you on the other side. I mean, let me get into the deets really quick before I get off. First of all, the texture of this hair is absolutely stunning. Super silky, very lightweight. I love that about this unit. Love the texture of the hair. You would definitely have to, I'm a 4B, 4C girl, so you definitely have to straighten your hair, but I think she's giving. I think she's really, really pretty. And the length is sexy. $250 for this, I think, is plausible. Incolorwig always has a great sale, so you're not really going to be paying $250. You just got to get on the site to go look. But I think a good, especially if you're a girl who can wear her hair out, I think a good, this is a good investment, okay? Because the bitch is giving Naomi. I'm giving top motherfucking mile in this bitch, okay? Are you kidding me? Let me tell y'all something. I have chills in Incolorwig. Chills. And I was inspired by the girls of Young, Famous, and African, okay? Because they was cute. They was coming with all the colors, the wigs, the hair, and they kind of inspired me to do something cute tonight. So I'm going to make sure that I show you guys my final look or whatever the case may be while I'm all dressed up and everything. But are you feeling this like I am? I might even throw on a little color in the eye, honey. You know, because sometimes when you give a little cat eye with a little color, girl, it be popping. Then I'll be really giving Naomi. As a matter of fact, that's who I'm going for tonight. Look at this bitch. Are you kidding me, Incolor? This is beautiful. Oh, last but not least, what goodies did they send us? So, Incolorwig so graciously provided us with, I have a headband right here. I don't know who that's for, but God bless. I got a scarf. We always need a scarf. That was lashes that just fell out, and our absolute favorite things ever, these clips. So I'm gonna throw this scarf on right maybe tap now, okay? Get dressed, and let me know what you guys think about this one. I'm gonna let y'all know about Hell's Kitchen Home. And I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all again about Young Black African, or Young African and Famous. Y'all gotta tell me who y'all feeling, who y'all not feeling, okay? Because I'm feeling the girl who with the daughter. She ain't And I love an evil villain, okay? But let me tell you somebody who's saving the day tonight. Incolorwig. Thank you, boos. I appreciate this collaboration. I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye. This is my look. My dress is from Pretty Little Thing. Little ruche situation. I put on my Just for Kira contacts for you guys. And then this is the full situation I'm giving. It's date night, so you gotta give them something to think about. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Okay, I don't think I'm going to put on heels, but I do think I'm gonna carry my Brandon Blackwood. Right? I think I might just put on some flats because this is Vegas. So there's that. But I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay, my loves, I'm back with the Incolor VPart wig. Me and Joe, I actually wore this wig for several days, okay, bone straight. But the beautiful thing about this wig is that she can be worn two ways. So if you wet her, she'll wave right up for you, and we're gonna put her to the test. So I got my hair pinned up, okay, because I ain't got no time for that. And if y'all wanted to know, me and Joe went to Hell's Kitchen last night, and it was, or a couple days ago, not last night, we went to Hell's Kitchen, and it was not great. It was a tourist trap, and I was so upset that him and I fell for it. And so yeah, that's our life. But as you can see, this is how the hair is holding up. Okay, I haven't put any more heat in her. She's just living her life, and we're gonna see if Mama can get her wave situation. Let me say this. I'm going to just stop right here. I wasn't ready for this. I wasn't ready. Okay? I didn't think she was going to wave up. I kind of used like half of my bottle. Well, not even half. I used a little bit. Can you guys even see? It's a little bit. It's a little dirty. Got a lot of... There you go. I haven't used a lot of water because this was full to the top. But she is really waving up. Wow. Do you see her? She is giving, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna shut my mouth. I'm gonna get into the other side, and we're gonna do a more casual look for today. Y'all see I'm in my Ivy Park. Yeah. I'm so excited. We're gonna get it together. I want to show you just how much hair I left out. Just that. Okay, just enough to cover the little lacy looking thing. But what I went through and did, okay, was on this side, because I had so much hair left out, I just went through and braided it, guys, and then just wrapped it around. And then we got a style with our VPart wig from Incolorwig. I am so motherfucking impressed. Incolor, this is absolutely positively beautiful. I wasn't sure how this was going to turn out. I was a little bit skeptical, if I'm being honest, because when I first put the order on, nothing happened. But then it said, trust the process, ho. You're moving too fast, because I'm gonna get there. You need to slow down. And that's what I did. Okay, I slowed down and got her together. Now again, this unit is 150% density. Okay, she's going for about $200, just under $230 for 24 inches. Absolutely stunning hair. You guys saw her straight. This is her curl up. Oh. This is a motherfucking investment. Do you hear me? Sometimes I know I'm yelling at y'all, but I'm yelling because I really do believe in affordable hair. I think that it is so important. But sometimes I think that every woman should have units that are a little bit more high end and a little bit more expensive because you still want longevity, right? It's an investment. And I think that if we're going to invest in something, this kind of unit that provides several different styles, like, are you seeing this? Hey girl, let me turn around. Is my face showing in the back? Let me know, sis. Let me know. Okay, like this is absolutely stunning. I'm outdone. This unit is absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I am obsessed. I'm glad we decided to do a casual look. I'm actually kind of annoyed that I got 2 more wigs to do because I would just keep this just like this. This is a vibe. Shout out to Incolor for sending us this unit. You guys are the real MVPs. Obsessed. This technology is insane and you guys need to get into it. Bust down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know if this something, the wet and wavy thing, is something that you would get into. And I'm gonna see you guys on the other side.